Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, so yeah. As you can see from the title, I'm going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. I'm more than 100% confident that I'm not going to make it, but I want to see how far I'm going to get in this 5 minutes. Like, I do take my time when I do my makeup. I overblend. Sometimes I just be patting my face. I'm going to try to cut all that out, but I'm going to try to be honest and true to myself and not rush it too much. So if you want to see how far I get in this 5-minute makeup challenge, I'm going to do my makeup in 5 minutes. Make sure that you continue to watch. Before we get into the challenge, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Don't y'all like my head wrap? My cousin sent me mad stuff from Liberia, so I had to throw it on because period, she gonna have me looking cute this summer, period. Alright y'all, let's get into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the timer on my phone. But I'm going to, of course, put the clock somewhere on the screen. So let's see. Timer. We're going to start 5 minutes. 5 minutes, as you can see. That says 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. Y'all, what the hell? Okay. Alright. I'm going to put some background music. I'm not going to talk. We're just going to do makeup. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you already know. It's Melody Songs, the humble producer.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I only have 2 minutes and 40 seconds left. I'm not... Bro, look at how I'm trying to blend this. Looks so bad. It dried too fast. What the f my god, I only have 1 minute and bro, oh my god, I will never do this again. I want to do my eyebrows. Shit. I can't find it. Oh my god.
Oh, you already know. It's Melody Songs, the humble producer. Oh, you already know. It's Melody Songs, the humble producer.
This is so hard. I'm not even using the right brush. Oh. Oh, here you are. Oh shit. Okay. So yo, honestly, that was the worst 5 minutes of my freaking life. So okay, so I got barely my base done. I didn't even set my face. I just peeped out and set my face. I barely put any product on because I was trying to rush. Look at my eyebrows. It's safe to say that I really do take my sweet time when I do my makeup. Honestly, it takes me about, I've timed myself, it takes me about 8 minutes to do my base the way I like to, because I do my base for my brows. It takes me 5 minutes just to do my brows the way I want them. So I already knew what was up. I knew I wasn't going to see no eyeshadow. I just wanted to see how quick I could do this, and you see what happened. So that was really, really fun, guys. I really enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed watching me scramble and curse myself out in the process. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Actually, comment down below if you want to see me do any more like makeup challenges, hair challenges, anything like that. Make sure you comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.